Alright, hi everyone. In this video we're just going to be looking at how to add a PBX extension to your PBX. So from the dashboard we just want to go to this left hand side pane. We want to go down to PBX extensions, click on that and you'll be presented with this page. To start off we just want to hit the big green button in the middle called Add Extension. From here we're going to be given a few different options. So the first is the extension number. Now the default is always going to start at 100, but you can change that number to whatever you want. I'm going to leave this at 100 now. I'm going to give this a name, so I'm going to call this Michael. The caller ID, I've got a few different options. I can either make it anonymous, I can add one of my DIDs, but for right now I'm just going to leave this as the default. Now we're going to be given the password for this extension here. This only comes into application when you're trying to register a particular desktop handset to an extension. So this is the password that you would put into that particular desktop handset. The voicemail box, I've got a few different options. I can either make a new voicemail box right from this pane, or I'm just going to can disable it, but for right now I'm just going to choose our general VM, which we set up in another video. If I wanted to, I can go into the settings for this general VM and change any settings here right from this window. Next I'm going to set up the divert destination. So to start off with, I'm going to undisable divert. I'm going to say it to busy 15 seconds. And then I'm going to set my divert destination to, let's just do it to my customized voicemail box, which I set up in another video, the all staff busy sound event, which is my customized voicemail box. I'm going to click on that. Now what that means is that if the phone is ringing for 15 seconds, it's automatically going to divert that to all staff busy. I've got some advanced options that I can open up here. The first being the default area code. I'm going to change this to Victoria, where I am, the 03 number. I'm going to change the time zone to Melbourne as well, so Australia-Melbourne. I've got my codec here. We can just ignore this for now. And then the restrict IP, you can also just leave that blank. That's fine. We don't need to do anything with that. Then I'm going to click on the button Add Extension. Going to press OK, and there we go. There's our first extension. I'm just going to add another one for the purpose of this video. So as you can see, the next number that it's taken is 101, which is the next one in line. I'm going to name this Steve. We're just going to leave all the default settings here. I'm going to go Add Extension. And now you can see that as I'm adding these extensions, it's taking it away from my overall extension limit. So you can see in this particular example, I've registered 2 out of 10 here, so I can only go up to 10. If you need to go past that, just talk to your account manager and they'll be able to increase this limit for you here.